this?
So it's not muscle, it might be adipose tissue. So there's a yellow-white
There we go.
material underneath that looks like adipose tissue, which is what we call fat.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a ton of it.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Clean chicken.
Nice. All right, cool. So after you've taken the skin off, I want you to just
That's a thick.
take a look at the muscles and how the muscles work while like flexing and
Whoa, this is how they walk.
remember how like we were flexing our
yeah.
biceps
Look, I'll just
turn your thing up.
and we made our biceps.
If I hold this still, this will go like that.
Turn your chicken over.
Yep.
Turn it over.
Hey,
Turn it over, you can see it.
Yo,
from
this is
underneath.
so
You can
satisfying.
move
like
this,
this bone.
this as well. if you can.
Okay, I will. That's blood
No
though.
worries.
Why is that nice bloody bone?
If you want to, Zeller, if you could hold your chicken up. That's kind of our goal is like to get that much
Skin
the
off.
skin off.
Oh, I
It's a
thought
little bit tough.
that.
Take your time.
Yeah, there's a lot of fat.
I think this is the
And
fat.
this is how they sleep. I think
No.
I got
Here you go.
a pretty good amount of fat off.
And if you're done with the skin, you can
I have
throw,
skin.
you can throw that out.
Boy, it's so much skin. I don't
Yeah,
know.
that is disgusting. Feel.
Okay. You want to throw out some of the skin, get it out of your way, or you're good, Spencer? You're fine for right now.
Oh, that's good.
When they're about to be dead.
Flip the chicken.
Run.
You want to get that out of your way? Oh, you're done, or
Sure, I'll just throw it now.
I'm gonna start like cleaning it.
put this here.
No, this is how they feel when
Is
they're
it
about
me,
to,
or does
when
this
they're
look
about
like
to be dead.
boogers?
Run.
So, and then you see that